In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Granny Chapter 2 in PC. So if you had played Chapter 1 of this Granny, you should remember that in that version, you only have the Granny which keep you locked in the house. But in this version, you have Granny and Grandpa together which keeps you locked in this house. Now if you talk about how you can download this game, so for this, first of all, you're going to open any browser in your system and then you're going to type into the search box for Steam. Once you search for Steam, you can just click on the first link which appears, and after that, you will be redirected to the website of Steam. If you see at the right side of your screen, you should be able to see here a search box, and in this search box, you're going to type in here the name of your game, which is Granny Chapter 2. After that, if you are not able to see here Granny Chapter 2 in the search results, you should be able to see here that two titles including Granny Chapter 2 have been excluded based on your preferences. So in this case, you're going to click on Granny Chapter 2. Then you're going to click on View Page and then you should appear here. So in here, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on Add to Cart. Once you click on Add to Cart, you can click on View My Cart. As you can see here, this is your cart, and if you want to remove any unnecessary items, you can click on remove on them. Otherwise, you can click on continue to payment. Then they're going to ask you to log in into your Steam account. If you don't have an account yet, you're going to scroll down and then click on create an account. Then you can just follow on screen instructions to create your Steam account. And once you have done that, you can come here again and type in here your account name and then your password. Then you can click on sign in. After that, you need to paste here the code which you have received to your email attached with your Steam account. And then you will be redirected to this kind of page. First of all, you need to select the payment method that how you want to pay. And after that, you need to type in here your payment information. Once you have done that all, you can scroll down and then click on continue. And once you click on continue, the game will be purchased and added into your account. So to check your game, you're going to scroll up back and then click on your Steam logo to go back to homepage of Steam. After that, you need to hover your mouse over your username and then you can click on games from the drop down menu. After that, you should be able to see here all of your games and you're going to scroll down until you find the game Granny Chapter 2. And once you have found that game, you can click on download on that game and then it will start downloading into your device.